The Jordan 4 RM Ironstone release continues the silhouette's rise as a refined, lifestyle-forward take on a classic. Since debuting with Nigel Sylvester's bold collaboration, the RM line has grown with quiet strength, offering modern, stripped-down interpretations of the iconic Jordan 4. The Ironstone exemplifies this balance of heritage and innovation, featuring a seasonal palette of ironstone, Baroque Brown, and light bone. Rich suede, mesh, and leather textures bring fall-ready depth, while medium olive heel branding and contrast stitching enhance its earthy tones. Retro tooling keeps it grounded in familiar Jordan DNA, appealing to both new fans and longtime collectors. What makes the RM line successful is its thoughtful pacing, never oversaturating, always delivering well-crafted colorways. With the Ironstone, Jordan brand continues this smart evolution, building momentum without fanfare.